How much is this? How much is this?
It's $10. It's $10.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Is it on sale? Is it on sale?
Yes, 20% off. Yes, 20% off.
Can I try this on? Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is there. Yes, the fitting room is there.
Do you have this in a larger size? Do you have this in a larger size?
Let me check. Let me check.
What time does the shop close? What time does the shop close?
At 9 p.m. At 9 p.m.
Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM?
Around the corner. Around the corner.
Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Is this the final price? Is this the final price?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Can I return this later? Can I return this later?
Within 7 days, yes. Within 7 days, yes.
Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
Next to the bank. Next to the bank.
Is this the way to the station? Is this the way to the station?
Yes, go straight. Yes, go straight.
How far is the airport? How far is the airport?
About 30 minutes. About 30 minutes.
What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave?
At 6:15 p.m. At 6:15 p.m.
Do you need a ticket? Do you need a ticket?
Yes, one for New York. Yes, one for New York.
Can I get a taxi here? Can I get a taxi here?
Yes, just wait there. Yes, just wait there.
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket?
At the counter. At the counter.
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. No, it's free.
Do you travel often? Do you travel often?
Not really. Not really.
How long is the flight? How long is the flight?
About 8 hours. About 8 hours.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
It's sunny. It's sunny.
Is it hot today? Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot. Yes, very hot.
Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow?
I think so. I think so.
Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside?
A little bit. A little bit.
What time is it now? What time is it now?
It's 3:30. It's 3:30.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
In March. In March.
What day is it today? What day is it today?
It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday.
Is it snowing? Is it snowing?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
What's the date today? What's the date today?
July 2nd. July 2nd.
Do you like winter? Do you like winter?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Are you sick? Are you sick?
Yes, I have a cold. Yes, I have a cold.
Do you feel better now? Do you feel better now?
Yes, much better. Yes, much better.
Do you need a doctor? Do you need a doctor?
No, I'll be fine. No, I'll be fine.
Do you have a headache? Do you have a headache?
Yes, a mild one. Yes, a mild one.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, just tired. Yes, just tired.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
A bit stressed. A bit stressed.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Not really. Not really.
Do you need medicine? Do you need medicine?
I already took some. I already took some.
Are you happy today? Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy. Yes, very happy.
Do you go to school? Do you go to school?
Yes, I'm a student. Yes, I'm a student.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
Math. Math.
Do you have homework? Do you have homework?
Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot.
Do you work full-time? Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What's your job? What's your job?
I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, it's rewarding. Yes, it's rewarding.
Are you on break? Are you on break?
Yes, for 15 minutes. Yes, for 15 minutes.
Do you have a meeting today? Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, at 11 a.m. Yes, at 11 a.m.
Is your boss nice? Is your boss nice?
Yes, very kind. Yes, very kind.
Do you work from home? Do you work from home?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes, yes.